So the nice thing about our course is that from year one, we take you through like the basics and the fundamentals of everything that is concept art. That includes working with the software, so we'll teach you Photoshop, we'll teach you Blender, and then we'll take you through to more advanced concepts, both in terms of drawing, painting, and also in terms of software. So we scaffold the course so that you can build up the skills that you would need in order to go into industry, whether you go in as a freelancer or as somebody who works in a studio, or go through all of the diverse paths that we as concept artists can take in our careers.
What I enjoy the most about my course is my teachers and how they're able to explain and teach me the things that I need to learn and are able to adapt to my skills. My course is preparing me for future careers with giving me a lot of experience working with other people, working with an industry currently. They also give other skills that you will need elsewhere in real life anywhere. So problem solving skills, for example, and a lot of creativity.
Right now I'm enjoying character performance a lot. It's about animating and acting in animation, and I've had a lot of fun with that. I've been given a lot of specific animation training already, and it's only been a month. So after a whole master's degree, I think I'm ready for the career.
I'm actually really enjoying industry practice right now, and it's in the third year currently. And I've enjoyed it because it's loose, but you do get the help from an industry, and currently we're working with Adam Hawk.
The nice thing about third year actually is that you'll be interacting with guests from the industry, both through our connections as a course, but also through our briefs. So you will have a module that is in collaboration with one of the biggest concept art studios in the northeast of England, Adam Hawk, who are based in Newcastle. They actually co-write some briefs with us, and you guys will be working on live briefs with them and getting live feedback from the team at Adam Hawk, so industry professionals.
You can do that in our Creative Industry Briefs module, where you choose an industry brief that has been provided by a range of great companies. We currently have them from CineSite, from Double 11, from Blue Zoo, from Sun and Moon, and we're adding more every year. So you can choose a brief and work on it with feedback from industry, and that you can also work either as an animator on a film or as an animator on a game, and you can choose which module you want to do, whether you want to work in film or whether you want to work in games. And then in semester 2 you get to do your final major project, where you have one-to-one supervision, and you can develop your skills and develop your portfolio with one great final piece that you want to go and take into industry.
Yeah, I would recommend Teesside University to someone else. It's been great so far, and especially to other Norwegians, as Teesside University compared to other schools in the UK is affordable, and the scholarship that we are afforded in Oslo, in Norway.
I would recommend it for the teachers. The teachers here are actually very great, and a lot of them have industry practice and they know what they're doing and how to teach you properly.